I'm about to go on Subway and get my 6-inch meal for $6.49. Let's see what I get. All right, so I'm gonna get the BMT. I want the Italian herbs and cheese.
What kind of cheese would you like?
Provolone.
Do you want to toast it?
No.
No?
And I want lettuce, tomato, light onions, mayo,
That's good onions. You want some more?
a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Mayo.
Mayo. I want oregano, a little bit more. Oregano,
Oregano.
Parmesan cheese,
Parmesan.
and can I get oil and vinegar?
Oil and vinegar.
Yes. Can I get a cut in half?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh, you get a fountain drink. Give me a lemonade. Just like that, I got my meal.